Friends, let me show you how to check if the battery of your tag is okay and if it needs to be replaced. There are two ways. The first is to press the central button. If it flashes green, then the battery is fine. If it flashes red, then it needs to be replaced. You can also see this in the app on your phone. If it needs to be replaced, you can take a card and insert it into the central slots. And open the tag. Here is the 2032 battery. This is also written on the back of the tag. To remove the battery, you can also use a card. You remove the battery, take a new one, insert it. And close the tag. Make sure the slots align. Snap it shut, press the central button. Make sure the green light blinks and the battery is ready to use.